Good evening and Jai Hind students. In this video, I will tell you some interesting properties of material. Materials may float or sink in water. Some materials are heavier than water, whereas other materials are lighter than water. A substance which is heavier than water is said to have higher density than water, whereas a substance which is lighter than water is said to have lesser density than water. Materials have lesser density than water float on it, whereas those higher density than water sink into it. Different materials show different behavior towards light. Materials which allow light pass through them are called transparent material, due to which the object behind them can be seen clearly, for example glass, water, etc. There are some materials which do not allow light to pass through them, are called opaque material, due to which the object behind them cannot see, for example wood, stone, etc. And there are also some materials which allow only a part of light to pass through them, are called translucent material, due to which the object behind them can see but not clearly, for example waxed paper, ground glass. There are some materials which conduct heat quickly, whereas some materials do not conduct heat. This is reason all cooking utensils made of metals and their handles are made of plastic, so they get hot quickly and help to cook the food, while handles are remain cool and help in holding utensils. We can classify the materials as magnetic and non-magnetic material. Materials which are attracted by magnet are called magnetic material, for example iron. Materials which are not attracted by magnet are called non-magnetic material, for example wood. There are some materials which permit electricity through them are called good conductor of electricity, for example copper, aluminium. This is a reason wires are made from copper or aluminium, whereas some materials do not permit electricity through them, are called non-conductors of electricity. This is a reason electrician wear rubber gloves while working with electricity. Thank you.